Bitget versus Gate. Which copy trading platform is better? Choosing the right copy trading platform can transform how you invest and grow your portfolio without the hassle of constant market monitoring. Both Bitget and Gate offer unique features worth exploring. Bitget and Gate are popular copy trading platforms designed to simplify crypto trading. The core difference lies in Bitget's focus on social trading and intuitive user interface, while Gate emphasizes a wider range of trading options and advanced tools for experienced users. Bitget is a copy trading platform that connects novice traders with professional traders, allowing users to automatically replicate expert trades. It works by letting users browse through verified traders' profiles, performance stats, and risk levels before choosing whom to follow. Bitget's strengths include a user-friendly interface, real-time trade copying, and a strong community focus, which makes it ideal for beginners or those who prefer a social trading environment. The platform also supports spot and derivatives trading, adding versatility. However, Bitget's limitations include fewer advanced customization options and a smaller variety of supported cryptocurrencies compared to some competitors. Overall, Bitget suits investors looking for simplicity, social engagement, and reliable copy trading without needing deep technical knowledge. Gate.io is a comprehensive crypto exchange that offers copy trading as part of its broader trading ecosystem. It enables users to follow top traders and automatically mirror their strategies across a wide range of crypto assets. Gate.io stands out with its extensive selection of cryptocurrencies, advanced trading features, and a robust security framework. This platform is designed for users who want more control and flexibility, including adjustable trade parameters and detailed analytics. However, Gate.io's interface can be overwhelming for beginners, and its copy trading community is less focused on social interaction compared to Bitget. The platform is best suited for intermediate to advanced traders who are comfortable navigating complex tools and want to diversify their strategies across many tokens. Comparing Bitget and Gate.io highlights clear trade-offs. Bitget excels in ease of use and social engagement, making it perfect for users new to copy trading who want straightforward access to expert strategies. Its limited asset variety and customization may restrict seasoned traders. Gate.io offers a broader asset range and powerful tools, supporting traders who want granular control and diverse portfolios. However, Gate.io's complexity can deter beginners. For example, a casual investor seeking simple, hands-off copying might prefer Bitget, while a more experienced trader aiming to optimize risk and diversify across many coins would benefit from Gate.io's advanced features. Both platforms provide strong security and reliable execution, but your choice depends on your trading experience and preferred level of involvement. Choose Bitget if you want an intuitive, community-driven copy trading experience with easy access to vetted professional traders and straightforward trade replication. Gate.io is the better choice for experienced traders seeking a wide asset selection and advanced customization in copy trading. Evaluate your trading style carefully to pick the platform that fits your goals and comfort level for the best results.